In this video, we're going to talk about Instagram Reels Insight. Yes, that feature is out. I have access now. And I'm also going to share a couple of things that I think Instagram should add to the Reels Insights. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should do that right now at alimirza2k. Now, how do you check your Instagram Reels Insight? So I'm going to click on my Reels tab, and then here are different Reels. So there are many different ways of accessing the insights. First of all, let's actually go to my main feed. So I'm going to click here, and then here's the last reel I published, and then you are going to see this option right here, View Insights. If you don't have this, update your app. If you still don't have it, wait, because I know Instagram launches these new features and things in batches, right? So be patient, wait. So now when I click on this, so here is all the data that you have available. This is amazing. So I can see accounts reached. That's how many people I reached with this piece of content, this reel, how many plays I have, because sometimes people can have multiple plays. One person can play the video multiple times. And then here's all the interaction, likes, comments, shares, and saves. I look for right here, shares and saves. Those are the two metrics that I pay a lot of attention to, because if people are, like is all right, people can ask comments too, but if someone is saving your reel and someone is sharing that reel to maybe their stories or other places, that means that piece of content is really clicking with them, right? So that's the all the data that's available for Reels. Here is something that's missing, and I think Instagram should add that. It's and actually I think I have two sort of like wish list or dream features, so to speak. One is the average watch time. TikTok has it, YouTube has it. So average watch time will tell me if I should make long reels, short reels, what's the ideal length, right? Because I can see the graph of when people are tuning in and out, right? So that's, I think, something that Instagram should add. Number two, and this may be not easy to do, but I would love to see how many followers, new followers I got from this reel. So those are the two dream features that I have. So Instagram, if you're listening or watching, add that please. Another way of getting to the insights is I'm going to go to my Reels tab, and then let's go to the Reels. And now here I'm going to click on these three dots, and now click on View Insights, and I'm pretty much going to see the same data right here. Look at that. Now, the third place I can access my data for Reels Insights, I'm going to go to my main insights for the account. And then, first of all, if you go to the Accounts Reached tab, here is why you should create Instagram Reels. Look at this. Look at the reach based on the content type. Reels is outperforming everything. And I haven't done a lot of IGTV videos, but in the past I saw the same thing. Reels had insane. So if you're watching this and you haven't started creating consistent content on Reels, do that right now. Let's go back, and I'm going to scroll down and go to this section called Reel 14 Reels. So if I click on this, so here is my Reels from past year. Let's say if I want to look at content from last 20 days. Now, here, these are my Reels from last 30 days sorted by the number of plays. So from the maximum to the minimum, right? Here's the cool thing. If I click on this, I can see shares, right? So now I can see my Reels from the maximum shares to the minimum. This is really, really cool. Because again, what I like to do is sort by shares and also saves. And then look at this. This video had, oh my God, 12,000 saves. That's crazy. This is really important because you can look at this data, and these are the topics that are working for you. So you can do more of these topics, these content types, these topics, and grow your account even more, right? So if you want to grow your account faster, go to your Reels, look at the saves and shares, make notes, and then create more content based on these topics, right? And then, like I mentioned earlier, hopefully if we're able to see how many followers we got from each reel, we should be able to put that metric here too, and then sort by that. But right now that's not available. So there you go, guys. This is how you can access the insights for your Instagram Reels, do some analysis, grow faster based on that, and also 2 of my dream features. Hopefully Instagram will add that pretty soon. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below.